It's a game, really, we don't have to sell for you. It's got such a fascinating history. You know the interest. We could have sold the stadium out, what, 5-6 times over, I reckon, because of the history of the rivalry here. Hopefully it lives up to the billing. Stamford Bridge is packed to the rafters today. As you would expect, it is Chelsea's home game against Liverpool. And I'm delighted to be bringing you the commentary. I'm Martin Tyler, and sharing the microphones today with Alan Smith.
I think we should have plenty to say during the course of the next 90 minutes. This Liverpool team, on the counter-attack, they can be devastating. So fascinating to see how Chelsea go about the business.
Wholesale changes for Chelsea. Azpilicueta starts with Thiago Silva as the centre-backs. Really in the clear now. It's a fast start here.
They deserve that goal. They've been the better team early on.
Well, if you keep going in to that sort of area, the ball will drop for you, and it dropped perfectly for him.
I think that's a lesson to anybody enduring a goal drought. Keep getting into the positions in the 18-yard, in the 6-yard box, and you will score.
Liverpool have the lead here. Benzema. Eden Hazard. Hazard giving the width for this attack. He's a good crosser normally, but that's not a good cross. Goal kick. It's with Marco Asensio. Here he is, Danny Williams. It's offside. Could be dangerous. Here's a chance. A goal. Right into the corner via the post. Right to the side of the goal and nicking off the inside of the post on its way in.
On another day, that might have rebounded back into play, but not this time.
Restarting at 2-0. Karim Benzema. Challenges for the ball. Throw in here. Thiago Silva. Here's Conte. Karim Benzema. And now he's looking for some support. Now Eden Hazard with a cross. And that's dealt with the problem. That's his game, isn't it? Intercepting. Can he unlock the defence, Danny Williams, with this through pass? Threading it through. Liverpool lose possession. Marco van Ginkel. Here's Willian. Now Van Ginkel. Well, they're building steadily here, working away. Christensen. Maham, oh, he could be in. He's in the clear. Well, the kind of... That did look like a real opening, but they've dealt with it. Marco van Ginkel. Well, a big sigh of relief, cleverly done. In a goal and into the net from Mohamed Salah.
Salah's got so much better than that, timing his run off the back of defenders.
For Liverpool, it is looking pretty much now that the victory is assured.
Oh, it's an enviable situation for them, should be home and hosed.
Liverpool are really on top form in this first half. Here's Willian. Karim Benzema. Marco van Ginkel. Challenge in sharp. It's a very good interception. Now, can he take them on? Put in from the wide area. And they get it away. Now Van Hinkel. Here's Willian. That's good support play from his teammates. Benzema. Well, the flag's up. He's frustrated because he is caught offside. Maybe he made his run a bit too soon. Marco Asensio. Here's Phillips. That's an easy interception. The pass wasn't really a very thoughtful one. On to the attack now. Here's Willian. Oh, well, credit for the effort, the intention, but the technique was poor. In midfield, they've got it back via an interception. Excellent cross from Hazard. Defender did well to get to it, but hasn't really finished the job. Lovely, incisive pass. He's through here. Taking on the defenders. Gets his cross in. Cross that's fisted away by the keeper. He can take the defenders on out wide here, Eden Hazard. Hazard. Oh, he's away from his marker now. And shoots! And this is a goal!
Well, he's not far out, but you've got to be on your toes in these circumstances, and he was.
Just a reminder, 3-1 it is now, the scoreline. It's Salah now. Virgil van Dijk. Marco Asensio. Fabinho. Christensen. There's no doubt there's been a lot of changes in the Chelsea management, but the consistency has been to some extent the players, but of course totally Roman Abramovich. He's got his shot off now. Referee has pointed for a corner for Liverpool. Corner played in. Fabinho! And the board shows 3 added minutes. Karim Benzema. Poor attempt at a pass, really. Challenges for the ball. That's half-time now, and the score is 3-1. It's Liverpool who are calling the shots again. They're having a splendid season, and they've had a very good first half here.
Lots of action at both ends here. The fans haven't been...
Can Liverpool replicate a good first half in the second period, which is now underway? Conte, Florenzi, pressed high here. Looking for Robben. Karim Benzema. A chance to Benzema, good vision here. Hazard. Trying to pick out someone in the centre. Not really away from the threat here.
We were interrupted on the subject of Chelsea and their...
With great vision here. Good reading of the... by anticipating the pass. Karim Benzema. Trying a bit too hard, trying to force the pass, and it went straight to an opponent. Jorginho gives it away to Robertson. What about Liverpool's next game?
They're playing Napoli in their next match in the Champions League, and I think one goal's going to decide it.
Conte can certainly run, and he's running at the opponents now. Just working away to try and find an opening.
Marco Asensio.
Christensen. We've reached the hour mark. Half an hour to go. And the pass not completed, really. Certainly wanting to find a teammate, but he's just found an opponent.
Marco Asensio.
Looking to use the full width of the pitch in this attack. Cleared away, well away from goal.
Well, no wonder these Chelsea fans aren't happy. It's been a really poor performance and it doesn't look like getting any better.
Marcos Alonso. With Jorginho. They can get one back now. Oh, that's great work by the goalkeeper. And it's going to be his throw here.
That's Piliqueta. Marco van Ginkel.
Here's Willian.
Conte.
Just a mistake, really. He's not even asked too much of the opponent. It's just a mishit pass. Well, this is where Arjen Robben loves to get involved and really go at the opposition. It's a good cross. Intercepted the play. Saw the pass coming.
Now Van Ginkel. Conte.
Just over quarter of an hour left on my watch. Threads it through.
Eden Hazard is offside.
Danny Williams threading it through. What we get to see, of course the assistants don't. Whether that'll change down the years, I'm not sure, but anyway, the replay here shows he's got it right.
He has. I mean, there was no real goal-scoring chance, but the defence would be pleased that their organisation caught him off.
Played forward, a bit of menace in this attack. Williams! Great header, great goal! Well, for all of you who love seeing headed goals, I do, for sure, I know Alan does. What a good example this was.
Well, I've always been an admirer of good headers, and this was certainly one of those. A thumping effort.
I have to say, it's so one-sided today, but all credit to the team. They're racking up the goals. Here's Willian. Trying to maintain control here, Jorginho.
He's the problem for the opposition, no doubt.
Time for the substitutes, I think, for Chelsea. Van Dijk. Robertson. Now the cross has gone behind. It's a poor effort.
Substitution for Chelsea.
Some activity on the Chelsea bench.
Number 26, Marco van Ginkel. Coming onto the pitch, number 17, Mateo Kovacic.
Well, the home team has been outplayed, and the home supporters have lost their will to support, I think.
Oh, haven't they just? You could hear a pin drop here. Seen one or two heading for the exits. They're not impressed.
Substitution for Chelsea.
Substitution for Chelsea.
Number 3, Marcos Alonso. Coming onto the pitch, number 11, Pedro.
Some options now for the pass. Excellent header, millimetres away from scoring, really.
I think he thought he had scored, and maybe the keeper did too.
Out goes the board. There'll be 2 added minutes.
Minimum of 2 minutes of added time.
Florenzi.
Now what's Willian got to offer here? Bit of a desperate lunge, that, and he's going to get booked for it, I think. It's definitely a yellow in the mind of the referee, definitely.
Well, I think it unquestionably was. I mean, on another day, he might have got a red for that. It was a really dangerous challenge.
Whipped into the box. Defended well.
the final whistle from the referee. Liverpool have won.
Well, it turned out to be a different kind of game to the one perhaps we said.